Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, Term 3, Chapter number 1. And the name of the chapter is Measurement. This is our lecture number 1. Today's topics are measuring length. There are two types to measure the length. Number 1, the non-standard units of length, and number 2, the standard units of length. Okay. So बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लर्न अबाउट नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ. ठीक है, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड का मीनिंग होता है जिन यूनिट्स को मान्यता प्राप्त नहीं है. ठीक है, उन यूनिट्स के बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे सबसे पहले. सो दीज यूनिट्स कैन वेरी पर्सन टू पर्सन. ये यूनिट्स जो हैं वो पर्सन टू पर्सन वेरी करती हैं, यानी कि चेंज हो जाती हैं. ठीक है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पर्सन. Non-standard units do not give the exact length. Non-standard units से जो लेंथ हम मेजर करते हैं वो एग्जैक्ट लेंथ नहीं होती, मीन्स सेम नहीं होती. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट वेरी पर्सन टू पर्सन. ओके, non-standard unit of length. The first one is the hand span. Okay, so this is the picture of hand span. Okay, and what is the definition? The distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger. Means यहाँ इस टिप से लेकर बेटा थंब के टिप से लेकर लिटिल फिंगर के टिप तक जो हम डिस्टेंस कवर करते हैं, that distance is covered by the hand span. ठीक है, हाथ को जब हम फैला देते हैं तो जो डिस्टेंस कवर करता है हमारा हैंड, वो हमारा हैंड स्पैन कहलाता है. ओके, नंबर 2 इज पेस. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेस बेटा? पेस का मतलब होता है कदम. ठीक है, सो पेस इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ वन फुल स्टेप. पेस का मतलब होता है जब हमारा जो लेग्स हैं वो एक पूरा कदम चलती हैं, तो जो डिस्टेंस कवर होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं पेस. नाउ नंबर 3 इज फुट और फुट स्पैन. ठीक है, फुट मीन्स पैर बेटा, तो फुट स्पैन मतलब जब हम अपना पैर जो है रखते हैं तो वो हमारा फुट स्पैन हो जाता है लाइक दिस. ओके, क्योंकि हम इसे फैला तो सकते नहीं है, तो जो हमारा फुट होता है दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फुट स्पैन. मीन्स द एवरेज लेंथ ऑफ अ फुट is this. Okay, foot span. Now beta, I'm going to show you the difference between the foot span and pace with the help of a picture. So here you can see there is a picture, and in this picture we have one girl and one boy, and they both are measuring the length. Okay, here the girl is measuring the length of this carpet with the help of foot span. ठीक है, इसने देखो पहले एक पैर रखा अपना, जहां पर वो पैर की जो टिप है वहां से इसने सेकंड रखा है, और इस तरह से ये थर्ड रखेगी, देन फोर्थ. तो ये हमारी फुट स्पैन की हेल्प से मेजर कर रही है लेंथ दिस कारपेट की. ओके, एंड हियर द बॉय इज मेजरिंग द लेंथ ऑफ दिस कॉरिडोर विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेस. ये कदम से चलकर इस कॉरिडोर की लेंथ को मेजर कर रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ foot span. Okay, and this is the example of pace. Now you can easily see that what is the difference between a foot span and pace. Foot span से हम यहाँ पर कारपेट की लेंथ को मेजर कर रहे हैं बेटा, और कॉरिडोर की लेंथ हम किसकी हेल्प से मेजर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? पेस की हेल्प से. ठीक है, और हम जब चलते हैं वो हमारा पेस कहलाता है. इस तरह से हम कभी नहीं चलते कि पहले एक हमारा लेग जहां पर खत्म हो रहा है दूसरा वहीं से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो ऐसे हम नहीं चलते हैं, हम पेस की तरह चलते हैं. ओके, कदम इसको बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में पेस. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नंबर 4 इज आर्म स्पैन. ओके, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ आर्म स्पैन. ओके, द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय दिस is called arm span. Your arm span is the distance between the middle fingertips on each hand when you stretch your arms out as far as they can reach. Arm span क्या होता है बेटा? जो डिस्टेंस कवर करती हैं हमारी मिडिल फिंगर्स, दोनों तरफ की मिडिल फिंगर्स, ठीक है, जब हम अपने हैंड्स को क्या करते हैं, स्ट्रेच करते हैं, बिल्कुल सीधा ओपन कर देते हैं, ठीक है, और जहां तक वो पहुंचती हैं वो हमारा क्या कहलाता है, आर्म स्पैन. अगेन आई एम रीडिंग इट. योर आर्म स्पैन इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मिडल फिंगर टिप्स. जो मिडल फिंगर टिप्स हैं बेटा, बीच वाली जो उंगली होती है, मिडल फिंगर होती है, उसकी टिप से लेकर एक हैंड की, उस से लेकर फिंगर टिप से लेकर दूसरे हैंड की मिडल फिंगर टिप तक, ठीक है. ऑन ईच हैंड व्हेन यू स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स, जब आप अपने आर्म्स को क्या करते हो, बिल्कुल सीधा कर देते हो, ठीक है, तो जहां तक वो पहुंचती हैं, आउट एज फार एज दे कैन रीच, वो जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया, दैट कवर्ड डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड द आर्म स्पैन डिस्टेंस. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? Now, number 5 is cubit. So here is the picture of cubit. You can see that it starts from elbow, okay, and up to the tip of the middle finger, okay. So how we can define it? The cubit was defined as the measurement from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger when your arm is extended. ठीक है, जब आप अपनी आर्म को इस तरह से खोलते हैं बेटा, तो एल्बो से स्टार्ट करके और जो टिप है आपकी मिडिल फिंगर की, ठीक है, वहां तक का जो स्पेस आप कवर करते हो, जो डिस्टेंस आप कवर करते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड द क्यूबिट. Okay, again I am telling you about cubit. The cubit was defined as the measurement from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger when your arm is extended. ठीक है, you can do it with the help of your elbow. Open your elbow, ठीक है, like this, and you can able to find out the length of any object, okay, smaller objects. Understood beta? Now the standard unit of length of page number 4 of your book. A measuring unit which is widely used is called a standard unit. Okay, ऐसी यूनिट बेटा जो हम सभी लोग यूज करते हैं और जो हमेशा सेम रहती है, that is called the standard unit. Okay, so meter is the standard unit of length. ठीक है, लेंथ की जो स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है दैट इज मीटर. ओके, centimeter, meter and kilometer are the units of length. Okay, हम सेंटीमीटर, मीटर और किलोमीटर्स में अपनी लेंथ की यूनिट्स को मेजर कर सकते हैं. This is the scale, okay, and we can measure the smaller things with the help of this scale, okay, and it is in only in centimeters. ये जो scale है हमारा, ये centimeters में होता है, okay, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter में कितने centimeters होते हैं? 100 centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Understood beta? Now the width of your index finger is about 1 centimeter. अगर हम 1 centimeter को measure करना चाहें with the help of our body parts, तो how it is? It is the width of your index finger. जो आपकी index finger है, उसकी जितनी चौड़ाई है, उसके equal होता है हमारा 1 centimeter. Okay? Centimeter is used to measure small things. If we want to measure small things, then we will use centimeter. हम centimeter use करते हैं, okay? For example, length of a pencil, book, bag, water bottle, etc. Okay, because these are the small things, so we will measure it in the centimeter. Okay? So now beta, your arm span is about 1 meter long. ठीक है? This is the picture of arm span. Okay, and this is approximately 1 meter long. Okay, Meter is used to measure longer things. लंबी चीजों को measure करने के लिए we use meter. Okay? For example, length of a bus, car, table or house, etc. Okay? Very large distances or lengths are measured in kilometers. ठीक है बेटा, जो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी डिस्टेंस होता है या लेंथ होता है उसको हम किस में मेजर करते हैं? इन किलोमीटर्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू टाउन्स. Okay, if we want to measure the distance of two towns or villages, then we will find out with the help of kilometer like this. This is the long distance, very long distance. So we will measure it in the kilometers. Now, short form of units of length. Now I am going to tell the short forms of these units. Number one, short form of meter is m. Meter की short form होती है m. The first letter of this m. Okay. Now the short form of centimeter is cm. Centi, c of centi and m for meter. So centimeter, cm. Short form of kilometer is km. K is used for kilo and m is used for meter. So the short form of kilometer is km. Meter is also called base unit of length. Meter को base unit भी बोला जाता है. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter जो है वो 100 centimeters के equal होता है. Now, activity of page number 5 of your book. Okay. How would you measure the following length? Use m, km or cm. Okay, so a part it is given distance from Chennai to Hyderabad. So these are the cities beta and we want to know the distance of these cities, so we can measure it in the form of kilometer or km. Okay, so distance covered by cities are measured in kilometer or km. Now in B part, distance from door to the opposite wall in a room. तो यहाँ पे हमें डोर और अपोजिट वॉल एक ही रूम की हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. तो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज मीटर और एम. वी कैन मेजर इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मीटर. ओके. In C part, length of a scale. So length of a scale, we can measure it in centimeter. So answer is centimeter or cm. Now in D part, length of a park. So here we want to know the length of a park. So we can measure it in meter or m. Okay. Now in E part, length of a book. So book is a small thing, so we can measure it in the centimeter or cm. Now in F part, distance between two villages. So distance between two villages is the longer length, so we can measure it in kilometer or km. Now in G part, length of a pencil. So pencil is a smaller thing, so we can measure it in centimeter or cm. Okay, and in H part, length of your room. So we can measure the length of room in meter or m. Okay. Now horse of page number 5. So beta, here we have given one picture. Okay, so what is given to us? Observe the picture and answer the question. So here beta, we need to observe this picture and then we have to give the answer of the following questions. Okay, so here you can see this is a home. It is written here, this is the home. Okay, and here is the man, this is the office and this is the gym. Okay, and the distance between home and gym is 120 meter. Okay, and the distance covered by this man is 42 meter. Okay, and the distance between office to gym is 32 meter. It is given to us. Okay, this distance is not given to us. So first of all, we will see that which question is given, then we will solve it accordingly. Okay, so find out in A part, if the man is going to office, how far does he need to travel more? अगर ये जो मैन है ये कहाँ जाना चाहता है, ऑफिस जाना चाहता है, तो इसे कितना ट्रेवल और करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ही हैज ऑलरेडी कवर्ड 42 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स होम. होम से इसने 42 मीटर जो है वो ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है. नाउ ही इज on this point. Now he want to go in office. Okay, so first of all beta, we have to find out that what is the distance from home to office. Okay, so because this full distance means from home to gym is 120 meter, we need to subtract 32 meter, which is from office to gym. Then we can easily find out the distance between home and office. So here at the side we will write that 120 meter minus 32 meter. Okay, so here first of all we will subtract it. 0 minus 2. From one's place we need to subtract. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. So what we will do? We will take borrow. Okay, so one's place will take borrow from 10's place and we will cut 0 and it will become 10. Okay, and here at 10's place this 2 will become 1. Now keep 10 in your mind and open your two fingers. So let's start backward counting. 9, 8. So here we will write 8 at ones place column. Now to solve a tens column, here it is given 1 minus 3. That is not possible. So again we need to take borrow. So this tens place will take borrow from hundreds place. So we will cut 1. Okay, and we will write here 11. And here at hundreds place it will become 0. Okay, now keep 11 in your mind and open your three fingers. Now again we need to speak backward counting. So 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Okay, now the distance between home to office is 88 meter. Now this man has already covered 42 meter. So what we will do? We will minus this 42 meter to find out the distance which need to travel that man. Okay, इस man को और कितना cover करना है, ठीक है? So for that we will minus 42 meter from 88 meter. So we will write here 42 meter. Now put the minus sign. Now keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now speak backward counting. 7, 6. So here we will write 6 at ones place column. Now again keep 8 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's speak backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. So here we will write 4. So our answer is 46. Okay. So we will write here that 46 meter distance this man needed to travel more. Okay. So our answer is 46 meter. Understood beta? Now second question, how far is the gym from his house? So it is already given that from house to gym the distance is 120 meter. So we can write here 120 meter. Okay. Now the C part, it is given from the point he is standing, how far is the gym? यहाँ पर ये man खड़ा हुआ है बेटा. And what is the distance between the man and the gym now? Okay, so here we have find out that the distance between man and office is 46 meter and it is given from office to gym, that is 32 meter. If we will add both these distances, then we can find out the distance between the man and the gym. So here at the side we will add both these numbers. So here 46 and 32 we will add it. So here keep Starting from ones place, keep 6 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now start counting. 7, 8. So here we will write 8 at ones place column. Now keep 4 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. So let's start counting. 5, 6, 7. So here we will write 7 at tens place column. So the distance between man and the gym is 78 meters. Okay. Now today's homework. Do activity given on page number 3 of your book. ठीक है, one activity is given beta on page number. It is with the help of known standard unit of length. You have to do that activity. It can vary because known standard unit of length vary from person to person. Okay. Thank you.